Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD LTZ. Comes equipped with a 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine paired to a 10-speed automatic Allison transmission. Other things included such as premium leather heated and cooled seats, all-terrain tires, power sliding sunroof, tubular running boards, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior. We're going to have this all-black interior with handling cup holder storage at the bottom, equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. They'll come up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with your seat memory and the dark wood and chrome accents. We've got two cool running boards here as well. These seats, these heated and ventilated power adjustable seats. Super nice. Left side, you're going to have your 2- and 4-wheel, and as well as your lighting controls next to your heads-up display. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel with the black bow tie. And the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. And you can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, as well as your gauges here, follow distance, adaptive cruise, as well as your audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. Classic column truck shifter, push to start, and onto the infotainment. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, and as well as navigation. You can also access trailering, as well as your front, rear, and 360-degree camera, and as well as your bed view, and Chevrolet Maps Plus as well. Below, you're gonna have the dual zone climate controls, pretty straightforward, with your lane departure warning, exhaust brake, and hill descent control, part of the Z7-1 package. And you're gonna have your integrated brake controller with 2 USB ports, and as well as a 12-volt and an AC wall charger, with a wireless charging pad, lots of extra storage, and 2 more USB ports with an SD card reader for navigation, lots of storage. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable again, one in chrome with the double glove box. Speakers up top, you got regular and digital rear view, and then here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, your power rear sliding window, and your power sliding sunroof. You got these blacked out 18-inch wheels on Arcs Quest all-terrain tires. You got the Z7-1 badging, with the Duramax and Allison transmission badging. These big trailering mirrors, black keyless entry door handles, side steps as well, and you got the paint match corner step bumper. Black badging there. Your trailer hitch and fifth wheel just under with the Rancho shocks. Press it. There we go. You got the easy lift tailgate with 2 LED lamps as well as an AC wall port. You're on 12 bed tie downs with your hitch points. It's a pretty spacious rear. Now to the rear interior, you get more paneling storage next to speaker with a wooden chrome accent, the power window. Lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side, with rear cup holders, rear heated seating, ventilation, and USB ports. You got cup holder and armrest right at the center as well. Storage behind the seats, as well as storage under. Lamps up top, and handles on the side. Alright, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD LTZ, equipped with a 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine, as well as heated ventilated seats, power sliding sunroof, Arcs Quest all-terrain tires, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.